like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate that a lot. We are currently gonna go to Indiana and get some fireworks. We have to go to Indiana since it's illegal here in Illinois. We did that last year, but we're planning to get way more fireworks this time. So let's go to Indiana.
Thought we was gone, now we back down. Yeah, so gang in this bitch, we don't back down. See an outlet lose, that's touchdown. Don't come this way, better turn around. Yeah, so gang, we known for violence. Guerrilla warfare like primates. Don't send them off on blind shit. They said they want smoke, come try this. I thought they was only get whacked now. All in your block when you're black now. Can't get away, you get gunned down. Doing this shit just for fun now. Yeah, so gang, we known for violence. Guerrilla warfare like primates. Don't send them off on blind shit. They said they want smoke, come try this. Got her pinned up like checkmate. Want this smoke, y'all Mayday. Killing them all make my day. Get it for free, no fundraise. Make them run for their life on that gun race. Asking them all how the blood taste. If they don't come through, we at they place. They not in their hood cause it ain't safe. We coming like missiles, you know how it's done. We always aggressive, that ass will get stung. Call up the medics to give him a jump. He don't got a chance, he got hit with a pump. This not a scuba that this you gon' flunk. Talking that shit when you niggas be drunk. They talking about battles, but they gon' get sunk. They don't want this hit, they be smoking that bunk.
Fucking finally arrived. Ooh, there.
Let me find out you got that steamy check, Gio.
He just hit. He said. Okay, ya, mijo. Solamente eso. Yeah.
Yeah, how much? The whole store's worth. Make sure to get everything. Make sure to get everything, man. Big bucks.
Keep spending? You want to keep spending?
Miro, and I wasted 150 on fireworks.
I'm Freddie, and I wasted 178.
I'm Jill, and I wasted $200.
I wasted a total amount of 377. Uli has my other bag. Damn, that's a lot, low key.
I just wasted $50 on this.
Hey, Uli, can I get an autograph? We finally arrived. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Bye. Good morning. It's 7 in the morning. We're about to clock into work. So this is where I work. The new warehouse. Look how they brought the skids.
You had one job. You had one job.
So guys, it's not even the 4th of July. It's Friday the 2nd, midnight. I'm trying to go to sleep, but these guys are throwing fireworks, so might as well go pop some.
Yeah, watch out, Pete.
Hey guys, it's finally the 4th of July, but we're gonna go work out right now, so to get that pump in, and then we're gonna throw some fireworks later. You're in the vlog. Our dad is buying us groceries. Está rosado.
He said bike gang.
Bye, gang.
Fuck bike gang.
Nicaragua.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
Thought we was gone, now we back down. Yeah, so gang in this bitch, we don't back down. See an outlet lose, that's touchdown. Don't come this way, better turn around. Yeah, so gang, we known for violence. Guerrilla warfare like primates. Don't send them off on blind shit. They said they want smoke, come try this. Thought they was only get whacked now. All in your block when you're black now. Can't get away, you get gunned down. Doing this shit just for fun now. Yes, okay, we known for violence. Gorilla warfare like primates. Don't send them off on blind shit. They said they want smoke, come try this. Got her pinned up like checkmate. Want this smoke, y'all Mayday. Killing them all make my day. Get it for free, no fun raise. Make them run for their life when that gun raise. Asking them all how their blood taste. If they don't come through, we at they place. They not in their hood cause it ain't safe. We coming like missiles, you know how it's done. We always aggressive, that ass will get stung. Call up the medics to give him a jump. He don't got a chance, he got hit with a pump. This not a scuba that this you can flunk. Talking that shit when you niggas be drunk. They talking about battles, but they gon' get sung. They don't want this shit, they be smoking that bunk. We let them bust out cause they say we ain't fair. Always spit fire like I'm a flare. They say they send that, but to my pit they scared. Tell them come through, but we know they won't dare. Always on point, yeah, I'm always prepared. They say that he holding, we hit and we share. We catch him, we time, put him in a chair. Now here to play games, so we make that clear. All of this shit that I tell you is real. Come through your block and we put it on parking. Be with some quads who ain't got no chill. Loving this life, I'm in love with the thrill. Don't see me on top, how they really feel. Tryna stop me, how pussy get killed. Said I'm doing too much, I ain't never gon' chill. Thought we was gone, now we back down. Yeah, so gang in this bitch, we don't back down. See you now, let loose, that's touchdown. Don't come this way, better turn around. Yeah, so gang, we known for violence. Gorilla warfare like primates. Don't send them off on blind shit. They said they want smoke, come try this. Thought they was only get whacked now. All in your block when you're black now. Can't get away, you get gunned down. Doing this shit just for fun now. Yes, okay, we known for violence. Gorilla warfare like primates. Don't send them off on blind shit. They said they want smoke, come try this.
Dressing all black, yeah, we back down. Yeah, so gang with them sticks, we don't back down. Rocking your block with them gun sounds. Running one hill, so don't run now. Empty the clips till there ain't no more rounds. Streets to killers, it's just a playground. Goofies thought that we was fucking around till we pulled out the white out the smirk off your clowns. Hit after hit till your block I goes down. Out in my block with my pistols all out. Gorilla warfare, that's what we about. Shoot a I'm nigga like pow. Can't stop till my pockets down, wow. Ballin' out, cashing out large amounts. Every day, every minute it counts. Didn't fuck with me then, but they fuck with me now. Smoking super fat, got me stuck in the droughts, got me floating in the clouds, it's amazing. This dream in this paper I'm chasing. If ops on my blocks, well, I'll waste them. Ain't no getting no way, no escaping. Big ol' 556, leave you faceless. Give a fuck about Trump and a racist. Was gone for a bit, made some change. Can't rest till a nigga done made it.
Last night was fun as fuck, but we're about to go see all the damage we did to the fucking park. There's fucking canisters everywhere. Let's go check this out. Damn. Don't get me wrong, we're about to clean all this up because that's not. This is why we can't have nice things. We're about to clean this shit up though. Chicken. For you.